Okay, so I want to go over just a little bit of an overview of this first week of the Physical Sciences 153 and what to expect. Of course, you want to check everything in Blackboard, read carefully all of the information in this week's folder. So the goals for this week is really to get started on a good, solid standing, a good foundation for the rest of the semester. So there's going to be some introductory information as well as some skills practice involved in this week. The idea is by the end of this week, you sort of know what to expect and how to proceed for all of the other lab weeks. So the first part of it is a little bit of an introduction. So you will have a discussion board intro where you will help other people get to know you, but then you also should read over other people and get to know them as well. As you guys work, even though this is an online class and you're never actually all together in the same place, I do hope that you will use the discussion boards to kind of help each other out. Not feed each other answers so that somebody can get a good grade without doing the work, but that you can help each other out. Now for the lab activities, after you've done that Blackboard introduction, you've got two parts of the lab today. There's a lab manual, and we'll talk a little bit more about that has all of the information in it, but then it's split up into a couple of assignments for the lab activity. Part one is mostly collecting student information, and you will get full credit on that part as long as you answer all the questions. Part two is a technical skills. So the idea here is I'm going to guide you through the process of answering certain types of questions and do certain types of things that you're going to have to do on other labs throughout the semester. And if you run into difficulty on it, the time to get help is now, so that if you need help with any particular technical skill or if you're having troubles finding where to enter your student information, get help right away. Then the rest of the semester should go much smoother. You also need to make sure you read over the course syllabus. Now, every instructor wants their students to read the syllabus, but to make sure that you've actually read it, we've got two little things here. There's a syllabus review practice, which you're going to be able to go through and answer some questions about the course policies as they're stated in the syllabus. And repeat as needed. You should redo this review until you've got 100% on it, so you know for sure that you have an accurate understanding of all of the syllabus policies. Then you're going to take a summary quiz. Now each week there's going to be a summary quiz, and most of the time it's going to deal with the lab activities you've done. For this particular week, that summary quiz actually goes back to the syllabus. You only have one attempt on a summary quiz, and there's a 30-minute time limit. So don't start a summary quiz until you're ready to go. You can open up the syllabus and take a look at it as you're answering the questions. Just like in a normal week, you can open up your lab stuff and take a look at it as you do the summary quiz. But once you start the quiz, you've got 30 minutes until it's going to time out. So that's the end of our week one overview. Again, this week is about getting started really strong, so if you've got any questions, definitely let me know.